everybody, I'm Chris and this is my channel, GT Supercharged. Thanks for tuning in. You may know me from my Instagram, GT_Supercharged, and today's a really special day because I'm starting a YouTube channel. And on top of that, my car is in a body shop right now getting some really awesome things done to it. So we'll get into that, but first a little bit about me. I have a real job, I work very hard, and this is my hobby, cars, so I figured I'd share that with everyone. I'm going to be reviewing other people's cars. I'm going to really get into detail about my build, which I've been working on for about 3 years now, so I'm a little bit late in getting into this, but there's still a lot more to come, and the coolest upgrade is being worked on right now. So I'm going to share that with you guys a little bit today. So I had a 2002 six-cylinder Mustang as my first one, and I ended up wrecking it, but I did some really stupid mods to it. I put a 410 gear ratio in it, some wheels, like some Cobra R wheels. It was just really stupid. And after that was gone, I transitioned to a Jeep Commander and got into something really safe and boring, and that was cool for a little while, and suddenly I just felt the need to get something awesome again. So I went in about the end of 2015 and bought a Mustang GT, which was just a really basic base model with nothing whatsoever, besides like the security package or something like that. Who cares? So since then, it's been 3 years now, I've been modifying this car. I've gone through so many different things. If you look behind me, you can see kind of how it was about a year or so ago, with different wheels, different tires, totally different look. Now it's way better. What's up, guys? So today we're at Subway Auto Body. We're gonna go check out my build and see how it's going. They're making some serious progress, but of course we're having some problems with parts from China delaying the final result. So let's go ahead in and check it out. And before we go in, I just noticed that there's this huge crack in my bumper here on my Range Rover, and there's no damage anywhere else. It's like nobody even hit us or anything. Makes absolutely no sense whatsoever. Perfect everywhere else. I'm thinking it's just British manufacturing. Not cool. Alright, here we are at Subway Auto Body, checking out the work, the progress on the build. See something new there. Check out that fender. Look at that. It's awesome. It even flares out a little bit more if you look right here. Huge improvement. Missing the bumper. And we should have the louvers painted too, to match. Overall looking really good. Although it's really dusty. Thanks for tuning in. We're going to go over everything, and make sure you like and subscribe.